Somebody once said, all the really good things in life are either illegal, immoral, or fattening. Well, the Bird's Eye people proudly announce a really good thing. Cool and creamy. It's a new kind of pudding, with flavors so rich they're almost sinful. The chocolate is scandalously smooth and chocolatey. And the butterscotch is shamefully thick and butterscotchy. And the vanilla is so vanilla-ish. It's downright wicked. One warning, though. You won't find a new Cool and Creamy in the pudding section of your store. It comes frozen. The Bird's Eye people say it'll keep in your refrigerator ready to eat for 2 weeks. But I wouldn't know about that.
New Cool and Creamy, the world's best pudding.
It's so good, it's almost sinful.